Welcome back to Online Learning Central. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. I'd like to share with you today the hands-on Kubernetes training program for those of you involved in open source software development and administration. This particular training program is geared towards those of you at an introductory or intermediate level in your open source software careers that may be interested in either of the CKAD or CKA certifications involving Kubernetes. CKAD, the Certified Kubernetes Application Developer Path, or CKA, Certified Kubernetes Administrator. This particular training program is structured around 10 different learning modules, each of which will give you a high demand, highly marketable open source skill. They include, first of all, understanding the Kubernetes Revolution. Second, before we start, let's talk containers. Third, running your first application using Kubernetes. Fifth, behind the scenes, understanding the Kubernetes API. Sixth, using the YAML markup language to create Kubernetes objects, as well as sixth, understanding essential Kubernetes object communications and components. And finally, just to wrap up, making applications accessible, managing your Kubernetes storage, and finally, checking in and out your Kubernetes applications or containers in a Google Cloud Platform environment. So to learn more, simply click on the link below our video. Our website has a full course curriculum as well as details on how you can register today for this valuable training program and begin advancing your career in open source container tools, specifically Kubernetes. We wish you much success and look